Assembly video for our wall cabinets. When you get your product, it's in a box, you open up everything, you're going to have a lot of parts. The best way to do it is to come over against the wall or somewhere where it's organized and lay out each part of your wood material to the side. That way you can pick each piece as you go. We're going to start by laying our frame and doors, which will come attached just like you see. The doors will already be mounted to the frame. You want a nice work surface to protect the doors because we don't want to scratch them up or damage them. We want to take our time, it's real important. So you start laying it down. We've got a left side, a right side, a top and a bottom, and then the back. And that's it for a wall cabinet unless it has shelves inside. So let's go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to point out some features about these cabinets. I like to start with my sides first. As you see, the clips are already drilled and mounted where it just locks right into place. You don't have to pre-drill or do anything. It's also important to point out that plywood's not always 100% straight. And so it's important that these channels that are cut out, that plywood is down flush. It needs to be as flush as we can get it in order to have a smooth assembly. So we line it up flush here. It'll be flush here and all the way down inside the groove. Don't set any screws, just set it in there. Now we're going to do the opposite side. Now, I mentioned something about not tightening the screws up, and that's for a reason, because we need it to be flexible while we assemble the rest of the cabinet. We'll slide the bottom in. See how I can just open it up and lock it right into the channel? Do that on each side. I still have to put the top in. Slide it down in the channel. That way you can just open it up, pop it in there, pop it in there. Now at this point it's important to just check and make sure everything's nice and flush and tight. Now we can take our panhead screws and go ahead, secure it, and you don't have to go crazy, just snug it up. Then you snug up the top and bottom screw. That's done right there. We're going to do that on each one of our clips. Again, just always make sure everything's tight. Take your time. If you want to glue your joints, you certainly can. This is a really fantastic assembly to do. It goes together tight. It stays really strong. But if you're a real craftsman and you take a little extra time and you want to glue it, you certainly can. We save the very back for last, that way we can work inside the cabinet. And snug up all the left and right screws. Remember, don't go crazy, you'll strip it out. Just snug it up. Okay, once that's done, you'll see the channels that are cut out on each side here and here. So we have to slide our back in. Slide it up in the channel. Sometimes you have to lift it up a little bit here just to get it in. If you don't get it straight, it'll catch on the corners. There we go. And you see how snug it tightens right up. Now here's where it's very, very important. You want to make sure that it's flush on each one of these corners, so your box is as square as it can get.